this video I will explain how to find the shape sequence by using the Pankel's algorithms. Okay, so already I problem given yesterday only I given the problems. So this is the given problems. In that, this is the process from P0 to P4, and this is the allocation column, this is the maximum column, this is the available in the systems. Available is also called as the work. Okay, next first step is that we need to find the matrix need. So how to find the matrix need? So there is a small formula is there, that is the need is equal to maximum minus allocations. Okay, so write one more box here. So this is the process box, this is the need box. Okay, so now what is the need? Maximum minus allocations. So this is the allocation, this is the maximum. So maximum minus allocation means maximum is the of the P0 process is the 753. So you have to minus allocation of R1, R2, R3 in that maximum of R1, R2, R3. So that is 7, 4, 5. See 7 minus 0, 7, 5 minus 1, 4, 3 minus 0, 3. So like that you have to find up to P4. Okay, this is the OR. Next we need to find the safe sequence. So for that two condition is there. First condition is that need of each process is compared with the available. In case if need is less than or equal to available, then resources are allocated to the process. In case second conditions, if need is greater than available, next process need is taken for a comparison purpose. This means that the whatever the need is that should be less than available. Okay, see here step 1. So you have to compare the need. So need of process P0 is 743 by this box. So need of the process P0 is 743. So this is compared with the availables. So what is the available? Already given 332. So when I compared need is less than or equal to availables, 743 is the need, and this compared with the available 332. So what happened? It is the need is greater than available. So the condition become false. That time what happens? System will move for the next process. Okay, next take the next need. Okay, the need for the process P1 is 122 and available is 332. Okay, so when I compared with need with this available, P1 need with this availables, the condition becomes true. Whenever the condition is become true, that time we need to find the work nothing but available. So work is equal to work plus allocations. That is work is equal to available. What is available? That is work nothing but available. That is 332 plus allocation is 200. That is the P1 available. P1 available allocation is 200 and available is 332. So we add both. So what? So we'll get one more new available, that is 325, 303, 202. That is this becomes the new availables. Like that we have to find all the process need and compared with the new availables, whatever new available you get. So finally, so you have to find those are false conditions. Once again you have to find and get the answers. So I will explain one by one. Next process P2, need P2, that is the 600 and available is 532. This is new availables, and I am comparing here. This condition becomes false. The system will move for the next process. So next process, need for process P3, that is 011 and available is 532. This is new available. We have to take, don't take the 332 old availables. So you have to compare with the new available, that is 532. So I am comparing with this need with these new availables. The condition becomes true here. So then you have to find the work. Work is equal to work plus allocations. The work nothing but new available 532 plus allocation of the P3. Okay, it is already given, it is. So when I add these two, so you will get the 743. This is the new availables. By using this new available, we have to compare with the next process need. That is, next process need is the P4, that is need is 431, is compared with new available, that is 743. That is 431 less than or equal to 743. The condition is true. Whenever the condition is true, we need to find the work. So work is equal to work plus allocations, that is equal to 743 plus 002. When we add, we will get new available, that is 745. This become your new availables. Okay, next take the need of the next process. This is P0. The P0 becomes, first it becomes false. So after that you have to take the that process also for comparison purpose. That is P0 is need is 743 compared with new available, that is 745. When I compared with these two, this condition becomes true. Whenever the condition becomes true, we need to add this new available and the allocations, that is 745 plus allocation is the 010 of the P0, that becomes 755. That is the new availables. Then finally next false is the condition is the P3. Need of the P3 is 600 is compared with new available 755, that is 600 is less than or equal to 755. The condition becomes true. Then you need to find the work, that is work is equal to work plus allocations, that is equal to 755 is the new availables plus allocation of the P3 is 302. When we add both, that becomes 1057. This is the new availables. Finally, it is very important, my dear students, need to find the step sequence. How to find the how to write the step sequence means which one becomes true, that process we have to write first. See here, so P0 become first false, don't write first, it is. So this becomes P1 becomes true, means we have to write here P1 first. Okay, after that which one becomes true, next P2 becomes false, don't write the second ones. Which one becomes true, so this P3 becomes true here, so write the second P3. After that P4 become true, so write the P4 here. After that this P0 become true, write the P0. After that P2 becomes true, write the P2. This is the your step sequence. Thank you. Cut more.